KevG weather overview. Here is the tail of the tape with the storm for Sunday into Monday. Areas well north and west of the city got big totals in the areas in gold, orange, and even red. But further towards the coast, it was generally 1 to 3 inches, with locally higher amounts, especially near I-95 and points east. For I-95 and points south and east, more specifically, it was basically a 1 to 3 inch snowfall. So definitely under what I thought it would be, especially for areas New York City, coastal Connecticut, and parts of Long Island where it was generally a 1 to 3 inch snowfall. And it had a hard time accumulating, the snow did, even after the sun went down on Monday. So even as we got those flakes to pile in Monday afternoon, Monday night, we just couldn't get much of a covering. But it was nice to see the first snowflakes of the season in my neck of the woods, and hopefully it's a harbinger of things to come. And having said that, over the next 5 to 7 days, we don't have really any snow in the forecast, it looks like, based on the overall weather models. This is off of Tropical Tidbits. I will have you know that Friday night and Saturday looks pretty cold. We have a shot of cold air moving in for Friday into Saturday on a brisk north wind. So we won't even get out of the 30s for daytime highs on Saturday. So definitely Friday night and Saturday, bundle up, as we've had a hard time getting rid of the cold after the snowstorm has moved through. Until Friday, it's just nothing but some leftover clouds giving way to some sun, and maybe a brief flurry on Friday afternoon, Friday night. But the main story over the next few days is the cold coming in for Saturday, and then the temperatures rebound as an area of high pressure moves to the east and our winds turn around by Sunday into Monday. We get more of a clockwise flow around the high, and then we wait for rain to develop probably Monday afternoon, Monday night into Tuesday as this storm system moves in with a brisk southerly wind for Tuesday, for much of Tuesday into Wednesday, with I think a decent amount of rain before it moves out early Wednesday morning. I don't see much in the way of snow with this at all for any areas of the Northeast, but we will have brisk winds both before, during, and after the storm, but they'll be coming out of the south during the storm, which makes all the difference in the world for the Tuesday, Wednesday time period. And you can see it reflected in the Weather Underground. Our temperatures below normal for this time of year a little bit, and then Saturday we really chill down. Temperatures only in the mid-30s, and I would ignore that snow icon for Wednesday. It's a little bit misleading. This is why you got to be careful with your point and click type forecasts on the phones and these automated forecasts, because from the looks of things, it looks as though Tuesday and Wednesday mainly rain, with temperatures in the 50s to start and then falling back after that.